In this video, I'm going to show you how to watermark your websites using WebStarts. Watermarking your website helps ensure you get paid for your design work by allowing clients to view your work while protecting your rights to the work. This is done by tiling a semi-transparent image over the content of the web pages you've created. To watermark a website in WebStarts, follow these steps. Step 1. From the All Sites view, select Watermark from the Site Actions drop-down menu that appears when you hover over the site thumbnail. Step 2. Switch the watermark toggle to the on position. Step 3. Upload your logo or whatever image you'd like to be tiled over your page content. Step 4. Adjust the size, spacing, opacity, and rotation of your watermark. Step 5. Select whether you want the watermark to be color or grayscale and then click the update button. Your watermark will be displayed on all of the pages of your website. I suggest you watermark your website when you've created a draft or revision for a client and they've yet to approve the work for payment. Once they've approved the work and made the payment, disable the watermark and grant the client full access to their site. If in the future a client fails to pay a monthly hosting fee or for other work, you can always re-enable the watermark to nudge them about an overdue bill. That's it for this video on watermarking your website. In the next video, I'll show you how to reduce dreaded back and forth with clients over design by having them fill out a web design questionnaire. Don't forget to subscribe and visit WebStarts.com to create a free website and launch your own web design firm. I'll see you next time.